All right, I'm going to be looking up helium. If hydrogen is the MVP of the cosmos, helium is the cool, aloof runner-up. It is the second most abundant element in the universe, but it's surprisingly rare and non-renewable here on Earth. Known as a noble gas, helium is famous for being incredibly stable. It doesn't like to react with anything, which makes it both useful and a bit difficult to catch. 1. Atomic structure and properties. Helium is the simplest of noble gases. Because its outer electron shell is completely full, it is chemically inert, meaning it won't burn or explode, unlike its neighbor hydrogen. The symbol is He. Atomic number is 2. Atomic weight is 4.0026. Boiling point, negative 268.9 degrees Celsius, the lowest of any element. It stays liquid even at absolute zero under normal pressure. Where does it come from? While there is plenty of helium in space created by stars, the helium we use on Earth is actually a fossil resource. Alpha decay. Most terrestrial helium is produced by the slow radioactive decay of heavy elements like uranium and thorium deep underground. Mining. If it gets trapped in natural gas deposits, we mine it by separating it from natural gas during refining. It is non-renewable. Once helium is released into the atmosphere, it is so light that Earth's gravity can't hold on to it. It literally leaks into space and is gone forever. 3. Beyond party balloons. While we mostly associate helium with birthday parties and high-pitched voices, it is a critical backstage player in modern technology. Cryogenics, the big one. Helium is the only substance cold enough to keep superconducting magnets chilled. This is vital for MRI machines or magnetic resonance imagery machines. Without liquid helium, hospitals couldn't run MRIs. Particle accelerators, the Large Hadron Collider or LHC, uses tons of liquid helium to function. Aerospace and high tech, rocket science, NASA uses helium to pressurize fuel tanks and rockets. Semiconductors, it is used as a cooling medium and a protective atmosphere when manufacturing computer chips and fiber optics. 4. The He3 factor, the future of energy. This is a rare isotope called helium-3, or 3He. It is very rare on Earth, but abundant on the moon's surface. Scientists are interested in it because it could potentially be used as fuel for nuclear fusion, offering a way to generate massive amounts of clean energy without the radioactive waste of traditional reactors. 5. Why is there a shortage? You might have noticed helium prices spiking over the last few years. This is because 1. Limited supply. Only a few countries, the US, Qatar, Russia, and Algeria, produce it in significant quantities. 2. Waste. For a long time, helium was treated as a cheap byproduct and vented into the air rather than captured. Okay. 3. High demand. As medical and tech industries grow, the need for helium is outstripping how fast we can pull it out of the ground. All right, that is helium. Let's do some lunar mining for helium-3. Collect some regolith.